how to change your birthday on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. Now click settings, then scroll all the way down until you find here, click here, complete your profile. And after that just scroll down until you find birthday, click on it, and then here you can change it. Just select any birthday you want, it's easy, and then click set and click OK and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.